In the busy city of Mumbai, a boy named Karan Singh really wanted to be rich. He lived in a poor area and dreamed of a life filled with wealth and luxury. One day, he found an old book in a dusty bookstore that promised incredible riches through a mysterious ritual. Driven by his strong desire to escape poverty, Karan decided to try the ritual. Late at night, he went to a forgotten shrine on the outskirts of the city and followed the instructions in the book. Strange things happened, whispers filled the air, and an eerie energy surrounded him. Soon after, Karan's life changed dramatically. He became incredibly rich, owning a grand mansion and enjoying a life of luxury. However, with his newfound wealth came a dark side. Karan started experiencing terrifying visions, and a haunting shadow seemed to follow him everywhere. His friends turned away, and the joy of being rich turned into a nightmare. As Karan slept, he realized that the wealth he gained came at a terrible cost. The mysterious force that granted his wishes wanted something in return. Ghostly figures tormented him, and he felt like he was losing his mind. The once desired riches had become a curse that he couldn't escape. In the heart of Mumbai, Karan Singh's story spread as a warning. His pursuit of wealth had led him down a dangerous path, showing that unchecked ambition and the quest for riches at any cost could have dark and haunting consequences.